Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with some company news. Kingston Wharves Limited says it has $100 million in investments planned for the next 5 years. CEO of KWL, Mark Williams, says the company has additional berth expansions in the pipeline.
On the importance and continued growth of our car business, we needed to look at constructing a multi-level car park. We'll be doing that. Hopefully, we'll be breaking ground sometime this year to do that multi-level car park. We move in excess of 170,000 cars, as I said, to Australia, New Zealand. We spoke about the development of Berth 7. We want to move again for the development of Berth 6.
The company is also looking to expand to Western Jamaica.
Kingston Wharves will be establishing a warehouse and logistics facility in Western Jamaica. More to come on that as we work through the details with our business partner. What we're looking for is to replicate what we have in Kingston. So your facility that will facilitate less than container load, full container load, your personal effects, but also offer opportunities for 3PL type of service, third-party logistics. So we pick, we pack, so you will break down cargo with 100 pieces. You might add labels to them, you might finish them in some ways or form, you hold inventory, you manage inventory, etc., etc.
Now, he was speaking at the company's annual general meeting this week. Pan Jamaica Group has acquired APA Processing, that's APA Processing, a fresh juice processing facility located in Barcelona, Spain. The company says this strategic acquisition will be integrated into the group's joint venture juice company, Co-Beverage Lab SA, enhancing the Pan Jamaica Group's capacity and reach within the European market. The acquisition of APA Processing is expected to significantly bolster high-pressure processing capacity to the group's pan-European juice group, the Juicy Group. The existing facilities in Spain, Belgium, and the Netherlands, the Juicy Group offers an extensive range of cold-pressed fresh juices. Let's head to the markets now. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $156.40. The Canadian is going for $115.05. $199.35 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.61. To the stock market, the JSE index declined by 855 points, while the junior market index fell by 39 points. Among the 35 winners were Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, Express Catering, Berger Paints Jamaica, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and JFP. The 49 losers included Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, MFS Capital Partners, Blue Power Group, and One-on-One Educational Services. 24 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international stories, they're up next.